Imagine a smartphone with a stunning 208MP camera, 80W fast charging, and 5G connectivity, all without breaking the bank. Samsung is changing the game again, this time with the Galaxy J17 Prime 5G, a budget-friendly device packed with premium features. Stay tuned, because this might just be your next smartphone. Samsung is taking a bold step into the affordable 5G market with the Galaxy J17 Prime 5G. This phone promises to deliver cutting-edge features and top-tier performance without the premium price tag. Let's take a closer look at why this device is creating so much buzz. The Galaxy J17 Prime 5G isn't just another budget phone, it's a statement. It comes with a 6.3-inch QHD display featuring a smooth 90Hz refresh rate. The resolution of 720 by 1920 pixels ensures a vibrant and clear viewing experience, perfect for streaming your favorite shows or scrolling through social media. Samsung has protected this screen with durable Gorilla Glass, adding an extra layer of safety against accidental drops or scratches. For added convenience, it includes a built-in fingerprint sensor, blending security and ease of use. Plus, with support for 4K video playback, the small screen delivers big on quality. Here's where the Galaxy J17 Prime 5G truly shines: its camera. The 208MP main sensor is nothing short of impressive, capturing stunningly detailed photos. Whether it's a family portrait, a landscape shot, or a quick selfie, this phone has you covered. But it doesn't stop there. The 8MP ultra-wide lens lets you capture more in a single frame, perfect for group shots or breathtaking vistas. The 2MP depth sensor adds that professional blur effect to your portraits, and the 12MP front camera ensures your selfies always stand out. Bonus? It supports 4K video recording and offers up to 10x zoom, so you can capture every moment with clarity. No one likes waiting for their phone to charge, and Samsung knows it. The Galaxy J17 Prime 5G features an 80W fast charging system that power up its 4,500 mAh battery in just 25 minutes. That's right, 25 minutes, and you're good to go for the entire day. This combination of speed and endurance is a game changer, especially for students, professionals, or anyone always on the move. Samsung keeps flexibility in mind with the J17 Prime 5G. The phone comes in 3 configurations: 6GB RAM with 128GB storage, 0.8GB RAM with 128GB storage, 0.8GB RAM with 256GB storage. Need more space? The dual-slot design allows you to add a memory card or use a second SIM card. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or someone who simply loves taking pictures, there's a model for you. Here's the part that's turning heads: Samsung is making 5G connectivity more accessible than ever with the Galaxy J17 Prime 5G. While the exact price hasn't been confirmed yet, industry experts expect it to be highly competitive, especially considering the specs. This phone is designed to deliver high value without burning a hole in your pocket. The Galaxy J17 Prime 5G is expected to launch between late April and May 2025. Samsung is positioning this phone as a go-to option for first-time smartphone buyers, students, photography enthusiasts, and anyone looking to experience 5G without splurging. As one industry insider put it, the Galaxy J17 Prime 5G is more than a phone. It's Samsung's way of saying premium features don't have to come with a premium price. Sometimes it's not about having the most expensive phone, it's about having the right phone. Samsung's Galaxy J17 Prime 5G isn't just another addition to the lineup, it's a promise that cutting-edge technology can be within reach for everyone. With its incredible 208MP camera, lightning-fast charging, and multiple storage options, it's clear that Samsung is setting a new standard for budget smartphones. So, what do you think? Is this your next smartphone? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets.